Did you know that the sky can sometimes turn green just before a storm? It's not a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's a real phenomenon, rare, eerie, and often misunderstood. Imagine looking up at the horizon, and instead of gray or blue, you see a surreal, glowing shade of green. It's beautiful and terrifying. But why does it happen? And what does it mean when the sky turns green? For centuries, people have feared a green sky. Farmers would stop working, kids would run inside, birds would go silent, and they weren't wrong to be afraid. Because in many cases, a green sky is nature's final warning. It usually comes right before the worst kind of storm, hail, tornadoes, or supercells. But how can a sky change color like that? And what is it trying to tell us? To understand the mystery of the green sky, we need to look at the science of light, weather, and how our atmosphere plays tricks on the human eye. This story involves more than clouds and colors. It's about light scattering, storm physics, and a bit of psychological perception. We'll take you inside the heart of the storm, and reveal why a green sky could be the calm before extreme chaos. Let's start with the basics. When we see color in the sky, we're actually seeing sunlight being scattered by particles in the atmosphere. During sunrise and sunset, the sky looks red or orange because the sun is low, and its light travels through more atmosphere, scattering the shorter blue and green wavelengths, letting red pass through. But during a storm, especially late in the day, there's something strange that happens. Massive thunderclouds, known as cumulonimbus clouds, can rise over 50,000 feet into the sky. These clouds are dense, tall, and filled with ice crystals, hailstones, and water vapor. Now imagine sunlight shining through those enormous clouds near sunset. The red and yellow wavelengths are absorbed by the storm clouds. What's left? Mostly blue. But here's where it gets eerie. That blue light, when combined with the yellowish tint of the sunlight behind the storm, creates the illusion of a green hue. It's not that the sky is actually green, it's a trick of the light and the weather. But here's the kicker. This greenish glow doesn't happen during every storm. It usually appears during the most dangerous kinds. Supercell thunderstorms capable of producing hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. That's why green skies are often associated with destruction. Meteorologists have studied this phenomenon for decades. In 1995, scientists from the University of Wisconsin released a study suggesting that the green color correlates with a high moisture content and intense precipitation, like the kind seen before hail or tornadoes. In short, if the sky turns green, pay attention. Let's talk about a few real examples. In 2008, just before a powerful tornado touched down in Iowa, residents reported the entire sky turning emerald green. One witness said it looked like the world had been dipped in poison. Moments later, sirens wailed, and a deadly EF3 tornado ripped through the town. In 2022, in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, a derecho storm barreled across the plains. Photos of the green sky went viral. It wasn't just eerie, it was historic. Winds reached 99 miles per hour, flattening trees and causing millions in damage. The green sky came about 15 minutes before impact. So what does it all mean? A green sky doesn't guarantee a tornado, but it does tell you something critical. The storm you're about to face is strong, moisture-rich, and likely carrying hail or violent winds. It's a natural color code, one your instincts were built to recognize. And while the science is still being studied, one thing is clear. When the sky turns green, do not ignore it. Seek shelter, stay alert, because nature doesn't always knock twice. Have you ever seen a green sky? Tell us where and when. Your story could help others understand what to look for. If you found this fascinating, hit like, drop a comment, and make sure you're subscribed for more mind-blowing insights into the hidden science around us. Because sometimes, the sky has secrets. The sky is more than just a backdrop, it's a storyteller. And every strange color, every glow, every shift, means something. So next time you see that haunting green above, don't just stare in wonder. Know what it means, and remember, nature always leaves clues. You just have to know how to read them.